Hello everyone and welcome back to the SolarButterfly climate tour. We have finally made it to Los Angeles, a city with almost 13 million people living in the metropolitan area. It has beautiful beaches and it's the home to the famous movie industry. But the first thing to do, our Butterfly and also the Tesla need new tires. And the Tesla also needs a serious check because there's a difficult journey ahead of us. During the next 10 weeks we will drive across Mexico and Central America, down all the way to Panama.
Das Butterfly-Reifen.
Das sind Butterfly-Reifen. Unsere Butterfly ist ab jetzt ein Velo.
Also, we marveled at the partial solar eclipse. Luckily, we don't have to charge at the moment because about 50% of the sun was covered by the moon. And tomorrow we will do some photo shooting in this fun city. Stay with us.